Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maxine and today I will be showing you how to make my jerk seasoning from scratch. And I will be also using it on turkey wings and chicken. Here we have some red peppers. And guys, don't worry, I'll be putting the specs that I used, the amount, in the bottom of my page. Red peppers, some green peppers. Here I have onions, and as I say, I will be telling you the exact amount that I use at the bottom of the page. Scallions, ginger, garlic, thyme, and I'm gonna use one pepper in this one because I don't want to make it too spicy, because I know a lot of people don't like spice. For the people who like a lot of spice, you could add more pepper to it, but this one I'm gonna make it mild. You can always add pepper, but once you put in the pepper you can take it out, so I want to do a mild one, but you can always add more pepper. Here I have 2 ounces of soy sauce, 2 ounces of olive oil, 2 ounces of vinegar. This is a white vinegar. I have 2 ounces, which is 4 ounces of orange juice, and it's the fresh orange I squeezed. Then this is 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and it's very hot, guys, so we have to watch the amount we put in because you don't want it too hot. That's why I'm making it mild. This is 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 teaspoon salt. I don't want to put a lot of salt in it because the soy sauce has salt in it, and for my viewers who are watching it and has low sodium, like high blood pressure, guys, I rather you add more salt to it than, you know, it's too salty for you, so I use 1 teaspoon. Then I have 1 tablespoon browning, and that's the food browning. Here I have 1 tablespoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and guys, this should be brown sugar, but I don't have any right now, so I'm going to use the white sugar, but it's brown sugar, so it would be 2 ounces of brown sugar. I'm going to close this and I'm going to blend it. And guys, this is the finished product of your jerk seasoning. It's browned. If you don't want it that brown, you could take out the browning, but why taking it out when you want your meat to have color? And this seasoning can use on turkey, like something different for Thanksgiving. You could use it on your ribs, whatever you want it to be. So, and here is my turkey wings. So I'm going to be using some of my turkey wings, and I have some chicken thigh just to show you what it would look like. And I'll be taking out, because this is very hot, guys, so you want to use a glove. And guys, you could use whatever other seasoning that you want to use, like your chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning in here. So you could add more dry seasoning to it to give it more flavor, like all-purpose meat seasoning, whatever you want to put on it. You don't only have to use the rub, you can put more seasoning on it. And then you let this sit for overnight, guys. And if you notice, I cut my chicken, like I score them, so that the seasoning can go down inside of it, and then it will soak and get a better flavor. So it's going straight through the bone. So remember, you can add whatever other seasoning you have, like your all-purpose dry seasoning, to give it more flavor. Don't only use the rub. And then you're gonna let it sit for overnight, but I want to show you the finishing product, so I'm gonna go right into it and bake it off today. But if you're gonna use this recipe, please do it overnight and let it sit, and you get a better flavor at the end when you finish your jerk. And my jerk, I'll be doing oven jerk, but you can do both. You could do it on the grill or in the oven. So I'm gonna place my chicken here, and guys, I will be baking oven jerk my chicken at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And they're both poultry, so I could put both of them there. So there you have it, guys. 350 degrees. Okay, guys, after 60 minutes bake time in the oven with my jerk chicken and turkey wings, this is the result. Look how lovely my jerk turkey wing is. You could do this for Thanksgiving, something different. And for those who don't like turkey, you could have chicken. This is my jerk chicken. And you could serve it with whatever you want, but I choose to serve it with mac and cheese and corn. So let's cut into it and see. Look how juicy it is. See? And this is the wing part, so, but look, very juicy. So guys, please remember to leave me a comment, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And I am out until my next video. Please remember to turn on your notification bell, so when I drop my new video, you will see it. Bye.